Hello everyone, in this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make a multi-row card. We will make a visual which will look like this. Step 1. Select the multi-row card icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Multi-row cards can display more than one data item at a time. So we can select state, region, revenue and sales from the fields section, and then drag and drop selected data one by one to the fields.
Now, we have our multi-cards visual ready. We have our state, region, revenue and sales in the cards.
Now, we will format the cards. In the Format section, make the callout values and category labels bold. I will then add borders to the cards by clicking on Style and selecting top, bottom, left and right. I will make the outline black. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other basic and advanced level Power BI videos.